Do you want to set up Canon PIXMA TR150 printer but don't know how to do it? Whether you're connected to Wi-Fi for the very first time or switching it to a network, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using the simple manual connect method. The whole process just takes a few minutes and requires zero technical knowledge. Just follow along and your Canon TR150 will be connected and ready to print wirelessly. If you need extra help, call the numbers on the screen. Let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Go to your Canon PIXMA TR150 printer's display screen and open Settings menu. In Settings, find and open the LAN Settings option. Under LAN Settings, select the Wi-Fi option to access wireless network settings. Now select Wi-Fi setup to begin connecting your printer to a wireless network. You'll see different connection methods available. Choose Manual Connect to manually select and connect your specific Wi-Fi network. Your printer will now start searching for all available wireless routers in your area. Just wait a moment while it completes the scan. Once the list of available networks appear on your screen, find your Wi-Fi network name and select it. Press Next to move to the password entry screen where you'll enter your Wi-Fi credentials. Type in your Wi-Fi password carefully. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check uppercase, lowercase letters. Then select OK to confirm. Now wait while the Canon PIXMA TR150 attempts to establish a connection with your wireless routers. This usually only takes a few seconds. Once your TR150 successfully connects to your wireless network, you'll see a confirmation message. Press OK to complete the setup. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.